walk, walk, slide, walk, walk, slide. This is for all the 3 types of skates. Radhe Radhe everyone, I am Garvi. Radhe Radhe everyone, I am Bunny. And today I am going to tell you about my favorite hobby, skating. We both are going to do skating. And आपको गार्ड्स पहनना बहुत essential होता है because it protects you from injury, isn't it? Yes. Now we are going downstairs. Now I have reached the ground, the skating ground, and I have worn all my guards and my skating. This is Linus, and now I am going to tell you how to do 3 basic steps which can help you to do fast. See Bunny over there. He is trying. Now let me tell you the step number 1. How to put a brake. If you are feeling scared, you need to put a brake. So come on, let me show you. Slowly, slowly, have a walk, walk, stand. And when you feel your body, just bend like this and put your fingers on this. That will help you improve better. And if you want to do brake, you have to put your like this and just धीरे धीरे your leg will be good. अब आप धीरे धीरे ऐसे ही खड़े रहो और देखो मेरा स्केट्स कितना धीरे जा रहा है एंड अब ये रुक गया है. So this is the technique to put a brake. Now the second step. If you are doing fast lineup, which step you have to do? Many people do like this. This is the wrong way. You'll have to bend a little more and put your hands like this. तो जैसे friends आप मुझे देख रहे हो कि मैंने आपको 2 टेक्निक्स दिखाए. अब मैं फिर से धीरे धीरे रुकती हूँ. ये रुकने का टेक्निक है. एक बार पैर खड़ा करो और धीरे धीरे उसे रुकने दो. थर्ड स्टेप, द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट स्टेप. ऐसे जब आप कर रहे हो, सो यू हैव टू बेंड मोर. You have to just sit in the half of the squats because it helps you to improve your posture. And now let me do the brake. Now see Bunny, he is gripping his hand in the railing and then he's and if you are doing
Scared? Bunny, are you scared? Enjoying it? Enjoying it? Oh wow, you can also stand. Good, nice start.
and if you are doing liners, the most important thing, do like this. Walk, walk, slide. Walk, walk, slide. This is for all the 3 types of skates. Adjustable quads and liners. These 3 skates and these steps can improve you and your posture. Like this. Walk, walk, slide. Walk, walk, slide. अब हम देखते हैं बनी कैसे करता है. मैं उसकी मदद करूंगी क्योंकि वो अभी बिगनर है. So let's go. He's learning and he's a little bit scared. If he fall down, he will get hurt. So now we are going to teach him. Are you excited, guys, to see him like teaching me? So friends, जैसा आप इसका पोस्चर देख रहे हो, V shape. This is the right posture because it helps you to be still. अगर आप ऐसे कर रहे हो तो आपको थोड़ा किसी चीज़ पर हैंडल करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि ये मूव करता है आगे या पीछे. दैट कैन बी रिस्की फॉर यू इफ़ यू आर डूइंग इट फर्स्ट टाइम. तो फ्रेंड्स, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो कि बनी ने ऐसे करा हुआ है तो वो स्टिल है एंड वो एकदम रुका हुआ है. दैट इज़ व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू. पेशेंस इसमें चाहिए. दैट आप अगर आपके पास पेशेंस है तो पोस्चर भी सही हो जाता है आपका. हाँ, ये स्टेप जो बनी कर रहा है अभी, ये भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. इससे आपका जो स्टेप होता है ना जब आप स्केट करते हो, वॉक वॉक स्लाइड, इसमें आपको जब पैर ऐसे जाएगा तो रुकने की कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं है क्योंकि ये राइट पोस्चर में चला जाता है. एंड शारद बनी, अब मैं तुमको दूसरा स्टेप बता रही हूँ. मेरा हाथ पकड़ो. Wow, Bunny is doing amazing. Isn't it, friends? Oh, he's a little bit nervous. You can hold the railing if you're feeling nervous, Bunny. Don't lose your courage. अगर आप courage खो देते हो, so you want to. Yeah, that's a little bit funny.
Bunny, hold it. Hold it. It's slopey over
So
there.
now, Bunny, are you feeling confident? Want to skate on this now? Okay, so let me help you. Hold me tight. Yes, yes. Don't lose your courage. Very good, Bunny. Today is Sunday morning and we are done with skating. Now we will be heading home. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Till then, bye bye. Radhe Radhe. Radhe Radhe.